Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you why the price of crude has moved continuously down and what are the reasons why the price of crude may be possibility that we can see it can move further low. Okay, or there is a possibility that we can see it can go further upside. See, if you look at the chart of crude, what we have seen, there is a continuous downfall. Okay, and this downfall after making a high of around $123.87, and this is the swing what we have seen here. Okay, and in the month of June, second week 2022, we have seen this swing has made, and from there we have seen it is continuously moving down. And now another point that you have to understand here is that there is a pattern forming. Okay, and if you look at the particular chart on the basis of weekly analysis, we can see that there is a pattern forming which shows that whenever it goes high and break this particular high, the previous high, we have seen it made a sharp fall. Okay, and this is repeated for 3, 4th and 5th time. It was about to do that for the 6th time, but we have seen because of the war situation, because of interest rates and CPI data, all these thing has made the crude fall further down. Okay, so what we can see, the crude, is there any possibility that it can go further upside, or possibility is there it can go further down? See, before we move forward, if you have any doubt, mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work in crude and any other commodities, even Forex. Okay, and a Telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Okay, now look at the chart. Okay, if you look at this chart also, we have seen there is a continuous downfall. Okay, and this downfall, as I have explained, that 85.87 is a strong resistance which was previously a support. Okay, and the next support coming at around $77.50. Okay, which is a possibility that it can touch this level, but if it goes below this level, the strong support again is coming at around $67.60. Okay, so this is the downside. Suppose if it goes above this and stays above a level of 85.87, then we can see it can a probability of moving further upside. Now, why we are seeing crude moving down? First of all, increase in 0.75% of interest rate, okay, basis points, okay, which is creating that the price of all the central banks, they will also increase the interest rate in order to fight for the inflation. Okay, and the second most important thing is that the dollar is being strengthened. Okay, look at the chart of dollar. We have seen it is continuously moving upside. Okay, and it is after making a swing and a low of around 88.964, we have seen it is continuously moving down, and there is a higher probability that we can see it can go further upside. Okay, why a probability is that? Because of the interest rate, the dollar, now what will happen, that they have increased the inflation, which will reduce the power for people who are spending more. They will spend less. Okay, which in turn there is a possibility that it can reduce the inflation. Okay, and why the price of crude is falling? Crude is falling because the price of a dollar has increased, which in turn making other countries expensive for buying crudes. Okay, now the value of crude, that means suppose if they are buying some amount of barrels, what amount they were paying, now they have to pay more amount because the dollar's price has increased and it is continuously strengthening. Okay, so hope you understand this concept. If you look at the Dow Jones also, there is a continuous downfall. Okay, it has fallen around more than 200 points in just one day. Okay, if you look at this particular last candle, you can see the high was around $32,718 and it made a low of around $29,170. Okay, in this particular month it made so much of fall, that means from $32,656 to it has touched the level of $29,232. Okay, and now if you look at this also, you can see there is again a continuous downfall, and in the last month you can see it was continuously down. Okay, so probability will be very high that we can see if this level didn't sustain, we can see it can go further down. Overall trend, we can see that it is making it fall further down. Okay, and now if you look at the Nasdaq also showing an downtrend. Okay, so there is a high probability that if you look at the SP 500 also, Nasdaq also, Dow Jones also, all these showing a downtrend. Okay, and a dollar strengthening, which causing crude prices to be more expensive for the other countries, which is a higher probability that we can see it can move further down. Okay, and now if you look at the dollar strengthening part also, this is, as I've explained, that if it goes upside, that will not be a beneficial for other countries to buy the products like crude and other metals, as well as we have seen the downfall in the gold itself also, because there is a possibility that because of the increase in the interest rates, the prices of gold has fallen because and the dollar strengthening. Okay, so any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. Okay, so now hope you like the video and hope you understand the concept, and if you like this video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.